Constructed during the Great Depression, this massive dam was once the world's largest producer of hydroelectric power. Hoover Dam spans the Colorado River and Black Canyon between Arizona and Nevada, about 30 miles southeast of Las Vegas. The structure, completed in 1935, is 726 feet high and 1,244 feet long. Originally known as Boulder Dam, the dam was renamed in 1947 to honor U.S. President Herbert Hoover. Hoover, as Secretary of Commerce, was instrumental in the construction of the dam that now bears his name. Hoover Dam was the world's largest producer of hydroelectric power until 1948.